Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bowers Wilkins Px8 McLaren headphones and I'm going to show how to check your battery percentage in your Android device. Let's get started. There are two ways of doing it. The first one is just scrolling to your control panel and holding your finger on Bluetooth. As you can see, battery percentages are there. The second way is just to go into your app and wait a moment. Now we have to go into settings and wait for our app to connect. As you can see, we're not connected, so we have to click on it. And our battery percentage is over there. Thanks for watching, I hope it helps you. Goodbye.